Alright guys, so before we get into the nitty-gritty of this course, let's go over the top 5 completely free ways to market your company online that are all going to be included in this course, plus more. So the first one is social media. We're going to go over Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. And then moving on, we're going to go over Google Places, which is always underutilized by companies, and I'm going to show you some tricks that I learned for Google Places here. We'll learn that. Online directories. No one really pays attention to these, but I'm going to show you how to get added to 70 plus of these completely free. You don't have to pay these companies $400 a year for them to do it for you. So I'll show you that in here. SEO. Typically you pay for that, and you pay a lot for that. I'm going to show you the best ways to get it completely free. So that's awesome, and it's not hard to do at all. I'll show you how to do that in this course. And then email marketing. They say there's a $40 return on investment for every $1 spent. I'm going to show you how to do it completely free. So you'll get huge spikes in revenue completely with free email marketing. So I'm going to show you all that in this course, but there's the top 5 right there. I'm going to cover additional things as well, paid ways, websites, all of the good stuff on top of that. But there's the top 5 core free ways to market your company online.